Imagine stepping into your backyard and seeing a garden bursting with life. Vibrant greens, juicy tomatoes, and crisp cucumbers, all thriving thanks to a few simple changes. What if I told you these easy hacks could double your harvest, giving you more fresh produce than you ever thought possible? Not only that, but these tips can cut your gardening time in half, freeing up your afternoons for relaxation or family time instead of endless weeding and watering. You'll also discover how to make pests disappear, using natural, budget-friendly solutions that protect your plants and keep your garden healthy, all without spending extra money on chemicals or gadgets. Today, I'm excited to share 15 viral gardening hacks you'll wish you'd known sooner, tricks that have transformed gardens around the world and could do the same for yours. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a way to connect with the earth, nurture your own food, and create memories with loved ones as you watch your garden grow together. But let's be honest, it can feel overwhelming when things don't go as planned. When plants wilt, weeds take over, or pests show up uninvited. That's where these clever, time-tested tricks come in. You don't need fancy tools or expensive products, just a bit of creativity and resourcefulness to help your garden truly thrive, no matter your experience level. Welcome back to Future Farming and AI, your go-to channel for the smartest gardening ideas. Here, we blend viral tips with expert-backed hacks, making gardening easier, more productive, and a lot more fun. If you love discovering new gardening hacks and smart solutions, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community and never miss out on the latest ways to turn your garden dreams into reality, one clever idea at a time. Let's start with something you probably have in your kitchen, a banana peel. Most people toss them in the trash without a second thought. But did you know that banana peels are actually a hidden treasure for your garden? Instead of throwing them away, you can turn them into a powerful, all-natural fertilizer that your plants will absolutely love. Banana peels are packed with potassium, which is an essential nutrient and acts like a superfood for flowering and fruiting plants, such as roses and tomatoes. Potassium helps plants grow stronger stems, produce more flowers, and develop bigger, juicier fruits. It also helps plants fight off diseases and cope with stress, making your garden healthier overall. To use banana peels in your garden, simply chop them up into small pieces and bury them in the soil near your plants. As the peels break down, they slowly release nutrients right where your plants need them most. Or for a quick boost, soak the peels in water for a few days to create a homemade banana peel tea that's rich in minerals. Pour this natural liquid fertilizer onto your garden beds or potted plants. It's a gentle, chemical-free way to give your plants a healthy boost. And it's safe for kids, pets, and pollinators too. You can also add banana peels to your compost pile, where they'll break down and enrich your compost with valuable nutrients. This simple habit not only reduces kitchen waste, but also helps you build richer, more fertile soil for your garden. Small changes like this make gardening more rewarding and eco-friendly. You'll notice your plants growing stronger, your flowers blooming brighter, and your vegetables tasting better, all thanks to something as simple as a banana peel. One banana peel at a time, you're not just feeding your plants, you're building a healthier, more vibrant backyard ecosystem for everyone to enjoy. Don't toss those used coffee grounds. What you might see as waste is actually a hidden treasure for your garden. Your garden will absolutely love them. Used coffee grounds are a fantastic natural way to give your plants a little extra boost. Coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, which is essential for healthy, vibrant leafy greens like lettuce and spinach. They help your plants grow lush and strong. Simply sprinkle a thin layer around your plants for a gentle, slow-release feeding. Over time, this also improves your soil structure, making it more fertile and easier to work with. Coffee grounds help break up heavy, compacted soil, improving drainage and aeration so roots can breathe and water flows more freely. Have you tried this simple gardening hack? We'd love to hear about your experiences. Share your results, tips, or questions in the comments below. Recycling your coffee grounds is an easy, eco-friendly way to reduce waste and boost your garden's health at the same time. Let's grow together by sharing our best gardening tips and making the most of every cup of coffee. Give your seedlings a strong start with eggshell pots. Save half shells, rinse, poke a drainage hole, fill with seed starting mix, and plant your seeds. When it's time to transplant, crack the shell and plant the whole thing. No root disturbance. The eggshell breaks down, providing calcium to prevent issues like blossom end rot. It's a nurturing, biodegradable solution for healthy seedlings. Start your garden with this simple, sustainable hack. Your plants will thank you from the very beginning. Busy schedule? Make a DIY self-watering system with a plastic bottle. Poke small holes in the bottle, bury it near your plant, and fill with water. The bottle slowly releases moisture right at the roots, reducing evaporation and watering frequency. Perfect for thirsty plants like tomatoes or for when you're away. For potted plants, invert a filled bottle into the soil for consistent moisture. It's efficient, easy, and keeps your plants happy. Try this hack for stress-free watering. Fungal diseases can devastate seedlings, but cinnamon is a natural solution. Sprinkle ground cinnamon on soil to stop mold and fungus in its tracks. It's a safe, gentle alternative to chemical fungicides, especially for edible plants. Dip plant cuttings in cinnamon to prevent rot and encourage root growth. Keep a shaker of cinnamon with your gardening tools for easy access. Nature often provides the best remedies. Protect your plants with this simple kitchen staple. Turn empty toilet paper rolls into biodegradable seed pods. Cut and fold the ends to make a base, fill with soil, and plant your seeds. Line them up in a tray and water from the bottom to encourage strong roots. When it's time to plant, put the whole roll in the ground, no transplant shock. The cardboard breaks down, adding organic matter to your soil. It's an eco-friendly, zero-waste way to start your garden. Give your seedlings a seamless transition outdoors. Short on space or battling soil pests? Try growing tomatoes upside down. Plant a seedling through a hole in the bottom of a hanging bucket, fill with soil, and hang in a sunny spot. Gravity keeps pests away and eliminates the need for staking. Improved air circulation helps prevent disease. Harvesting is easier, and your tomatoes grow right at eye level. It's a fun, space-saving twist on traditional gardening. Give your tomatoes a new angle for success. Want bigger, healthier tomatoes and peppers? Add Epsom salt. Magnesium in Epsom salt boosts chlorophyll and fruit production. Mix a tablespoon into the planting hole or dissolve 2 tablespoons in a gallon of water for a monthly foliar spray. Plants absorb magnesium through their leaves for a quick boost. Greener leaves, stronger plants, and more flavorful fruits await. It's an old-fashioned remedy that really works. Try it for your next tomato or pepper crop. Tired of weeds? Make a DIY weed killer with vinegar, salt, and dish soap. Mix 1 gallon vinegar, 1 cup salt, and a tablespoon of dish soap in a sprayer. Spray on weeds during a hot, sunny day for fast results. Be careful. This solution kills any plant it touches. It's powerful, eco-friendly, and safe for your family and pets. Keep your pathways and driveways weed-free the natural way. Don't toss that wood ash from your fireplace. Use it in your garden. Wood ash adds potassium and calcium, enriching your soil for flowering and fruiting plants. It also raises soil pH, making acidic soil more hospitable for veggies like beans and spinach. Use only ash from untreated wood and avoid acid-loving plants. A little goes a long way, sprinkle lightly. It's a time-honored way to recycle nutrients from hearth to garden. Protect your plants from critters with a quirky trick: plastic forks. Stick forks, tines up, around your seedlings to create a mini barrier. Rabbits and squirrels hate the feel and will move on. It's humane, harmless, and a great way to reuse party forks. Especially effective for lettuce, strawberries, and young plants. Give your garden a simple, low-cost defense. Aluminum foil isn't just for the kitchen, it's a garden hack too. Lay shiny side-up foil around plants to repel pests like aphids and whiteflies. The reflected light confuses insects and gives your plants extra sunlight. Great for roses and sun-loving veggies in shady spots. Weigh down the edges with stones to keep it in place. It's a bright, creative way to protect and energize your plants. Powdery mildew? Treat it with a simple milk spray. Mix 1 part milk with 2 parts water and spray on affected leaves. Sunlight activates the milk's natural antifungal properties. Use on squash, cucumbers, and zinnias as a treatment or preventative. Safe, inexpensive, and surprisingly effective. Keep this gentle remedy in your gardening toolkit. Regrow veggies from kitchen scraps for endless greens. Place green onion roots or lettuce bases in water on a sunny windowsill. Watch new shoots appear in days. Snip and regrow as needed. After a week or two, transplant into soil for bigger harvests. It's a fun, waste-reducing project for the whole family. Turn kitchen leftovers into a living, edible garden. Need a watering can in a pinch? Grab a plastic milk jug, poke holes in the cap, fill with water, and screw it back on. The jug's handle makes it easy to carry and pour a gentle shower. Perfect for delicate seedlings and quick watering jobs. No fancy tools required, just a little creativity. Upcycle and water your garden with ease. Those were 15 viral gardening hacks that actually work. From banana peels to DIY watering cans, these tricks make gardening easier and more rewarding. Which hack will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more high-value gardening tips every week. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next one. Happy gardening!